guys, this kami is my outfit for today. In-invite kami ng tita niya day out ngayon, so ipapakainin kami sa labas. So ayan yung outfit natin, nakatali tayo at kinulat natin yung buhok natin. So ayan yung outfit for today. Diba, ang payat na natin. Hey guys, have a nice day guys.